Today I wanted to create a short video on the problems that I have had with the door wiring on my 2012 Ford Raptor. Now in the past I have had wiring issues that I did not know were wiring issues, so I replaced the door lock mechanism on the right rear of my truck. My hope is this video helps you to not make the same mistake. Okay, so what I have here is the harness out of my 2012 Ford F-150. It's the rear door harness. This is actually the one from the driver's rear door. It starts doing some really weird things that like the seatbelt light won't go off, the lights won't go off, and the problem is right here. Opening and closing the door, it breaks these little wires. This green wire is broken. You can kind of see that white wire is already worn. We're going to work on this a little bit. Weird thing about these things is I had this happen on my passenger side before. They put this piece of hard plastic down through this thing. And let's see if you can see that. See that piece of, this is just a piece of hard plastic that keeps everything kind of, I guess, together. Stiff. But I replaced the harness with the one I bought off Amazon because I've done my passenger door and it's already having issues again because there's so many places where this gets pinched. See how this purple wire is broken right here. 3 or 4 places it's broken here, it's broken here. Not broken, but cracked. That one's cracked, it's going to break eventually. That white wire's pinched and cracked right there, so it's an issue. I don't see anything else right now, but the big problem I was having here was this green wire, which I believe runs to right here. That green wire, no, that's too big of a wire. Which wire is that? I can't figure out which one it is. I think it's the door closed mechanism, so it goes all the way to this. I think that is it, but it tells the door that it's shut or open. So the steps I put on there won't close because it thinks this door is always open. So anyway, that's where I'm at. This wire is so brittle. It's what, 10 years old. Door's been opened and closed 20,000 times, but in the cold, well, now that we're getting into colder temperatures, it just becomes hard and they break. But you can see it's busted. Now let me see to get this off. This off, it's a little weird. You actually unhook that little notch and it comes out this way, and then you can get that out of your way. That's just a little piece that holds it into the door. It's just a real quick overview of why your door locks, your steps, your lights may not be working properly because the wiring in your doors is wore out. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys diagnose the problems you're having. It's a very simple thing to take the wiring loom out and just replace it. Sorry I didn't do a full video on taking the door apart and getting the wiring harness out, but there's lots of videos on YouTube. I didn't feel like recreating that wheel. But I do hope this helps you diagnose your troubles you may be having.